like to thank the team of Rao for organizing and putting together such an amazing fair.
Thanks for the team's hospitality and support. The exposure we got for our brand was really awesome.
I'm very tired after meeting so many students since the morning, but that's what we're looking for, to meet as many students who are interested into our programs. I really loved the atmosphere here. Students are really interested in some of the specific programs.
Today I got an opportunity to meet almost 200 plus students in Algoma desk, and it's a great opportunity for me to talk more about how the university will work, the scholarship, the career opportunity, the job aspect. So I would like to thank the entire Rao team for organizing this wonderful event.
I just met with so many universities from different countries, USA, UK and Canada.
College Avalon provided me a good scholarship as well of around $1,500, and I'm very much happy for the same.
Education fair is really wonderful. I mean, you get lots of college there, and there are many representatives who can help you at every step. There are 2-3 colleges and university. They have promised me to help me with their offer letters as well, so that I can be proceeded to Canada.
The response was great from everyone, even the staff members of Rao and as well as the representatives of the college.
It was like fabulous, one of the best, and like I would recommend everyone to do come and visit.